Hello everyone, Himanshu here from optimizesmart.com. In today's video, I want to talk about how to allocate budgets in multi-channel marketing. Here is what we are going to cover. Why you can't double your website sales just by doubling your marketing budget. Why you see a decline in the conversion rate and increase in cost per acquisition when you rapidly invest huge amount of money in a marketing campaign. What will happen if you over-invest in one marketing channel and sideline all other marketing channels? Why the performance of a marketing campaign start deteriorating once you start pumping more money into it? Have you ever been in a situation where you increase the ad spend of a PPC campaign by say 80% because it is performing so well, but instead of getting better results, you start seeing a decline in the conversion rate and increase in cost per acquisition? I've been in this situation several times. I saw a campaign performing very well, so I got excited and increased its budget by 100%. And then bam, conversion rate down, cost per acquisition up, and panic and fear everywhere. Recently, one of my clients had similar excitement. He was amazed by the performance of their Facebook campaign, so he got excited and asked me to double the ad spend on Facebook. Being burned several times in the past by investing too much at once in the wrong way, I knew this is not going to work. So I did what marketers usually do. Convinced him that it is not a good idea and that we need to go slow. This video lesson is simply an extension of that convincing, because I want you to think really hard before you over-invest in any marketing channel or campaign just because it is performing so well. Although the reason of high performance seems so justifiable to invest more, things are not that black and white in multi-channel marketing. And overlooking important factors can result in a massive loss in revenue, especially if you're investing tens of thousands of dollars, pounds. Before you invest more money in any marketing channel or campaign, you need to look at the following two factors. First, the law of diminishing returns. Second, the role of assisting marketing channels. Now, what is the law of diminishing returns? According to the law of diminishing returns, if you keep adding more of one unit of production to a productive process while keeping all other units constant, you will at some point produce lower per unit returns. So for example, if you keep pumping more money into a Facebook campaign without changing the present form of the campaign, at some point you will reach the point of diminishing returns. And once you cross this point, your conversion rate will go down and cost per acquisition will go up. So when you're thinking of increasing the budget of a marketing campaign by considerable amount, focus on refining your targeting and ad copy first. Or better, leave the campaign in its present form and start a new campaign with more refined targeting or ad copy. In this way, you will change multiple units of production and can stay away from the point of diminishing returns. To determine the point of diminishing returns, you need to gradually add more of one unit of production to the productive process. If you rapidly add units, you will never know when you cross the point of diminishing returns and start losing money. That is why I suggested my client to go slow while increasing the budget of the Facebook campaign in its present form. Before you invest more money in any marketing channel or campaign, you also need to consider the role of assisting marketing channels. For example, maybe you're thinking of doubling your Facebook marketing ad spend because it is performing so well. But before you over-invest in Facebook campaign, hold your horses. Do you really think Facebook campaign is generating all those revenues and conversions in the world of multi-channel marketing, where every marketing channel is assisting conversion in some way? Are you 100% confident that there is no other marketing channel which is helping in driving Facebook conversions? You need to look at the role played by assisting marketing channels in the conversion paths before you take big decisions and triple the budget of a very successful campaign in a hope to multiply its performance. Because if you don't, you may reach the point of diminishing returns as you are adding more of one unit of production, here budget, to one marketing channel while keeping other units constant. That is not investing proportional amount in assisting marketing channels. This theory holds true for any campaign and not just Facebook. So here is what you can take away from this video lesson. First, understand that just doubling the budget of a high-performing campaign may not result in proportional increase in its performance. You need to do a lot more than just increasing the budget then. Consider running new ads targeting new keywords or new markets to stay away from the point of diminishing returns. Second, go slow with your investment in any marketing channel or campaign in its present form. If you rapidly invest huge amount of money, you will never know when you cross the point of diminishing returns and start losing money. Third, understand that if you're doing multi-channel marketing, then no one marketing campaign or channel is solely responsible for conversion and sales. Different marketing channels, campaigns work together to create sales and other conversions. Fourth, understand that over-investing in any one marketing channel while overlooking the role of assisting marketing channels may take you to the point of diminishing returns faster than you think. If you want to learn more web analytics, then check out a training program on web analytics at optimizesmart.com/training. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and I look forward to speaking to you soon.